Hello everyone, I am Swagata and welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to thank all of you. For you, I got good views and likes here. I am quite new here, I do not have any experiences here. So I genuinely want to thank all of you, and this means a lot. I did not have any expectations, honestly, that in such short time I'll be getting so many views here. So thank you so much. And as a senior cabin crew member in the topmost airline in India, I want to share my experience, my whole journey, ups and downs and difficulties I have faced, entire my journey, my whole experiences. So here I am and making content out of it. I am quite new here. I do not have any prior experiences in content creation, but somehow I feel I'm trying and I'm growing day by day. So please, please, please support me and show your love. I need your support. And if you have any concerns, any questions related to cabin crew jobs or aviation sectors, please let me know. Let me know in the comment section, or you can message me also in my social handles. Please let me know about your concerns. I will try to help you. So thank you so much. Please support me. I need more support, and please subscribe if you want to stay connected with me and want to know my stories and the ups and downs I have faced. So thank you so much. Please keep watching me and have a nice day. Bye bye.